In today's video, we will analyze and compare the profitability of two popular rental options, Airbnb and traditional renting. As an investor, it's essential to understand the pros and cons of each approach to maximize your returns. So let's dive right in. Why do investors consider listing their homes on Airbnb? Flexibility and higher rental rates. One of the primary advantages Airbnb offers hosts is unparalleled flexibility in pricing. This is not just about adjusting rates based on the season. High-demand events, local festivities, and even short-term regional trends can justify a spike in prices. For instance, during a major sports event, a city's accommodation can get booked rapidly, allowing hosts to increase their rates significantly. Moreover, hosts can block dates for personal use, seamlessly blending their private life with a revenue stream. The key lies in understanding local market dynamics, being adaptable, and leveraging data analytics tools provided by platforms like Airbnb or third-party services. Additional income streams. The Airbnb model isn't confined to just renting out space. Hosts can offer various experiences, like cooking classes or guided tours. Hosts find themselves welcoming guests from across continents, resulting in cultural exchanges and networking opportunities. Increased market reach. Airbnb's global platform transcends traditional geographical barriers. Furthermore, as Airbnb invests heavily in advertising, hosts indirectly benefit from their global campaigns. Cleaning fees, surcharges for additional guests, offering breakfast, airport pickups, or even tying up with local businesses for discounts can significantly augment a host's earnings. Each extra service not only increases revenue but also elevates the guest's experience, leading to better reviews. The challenge here is to ensure your listing remains competitive, with clear descriptions, stellar photos, and quick response times. Guest reviews. In today's digital age, testimonials and reviews heavily sway consumer choices. Positive reviews act as powerful endorsements, bolstering a host's credibility. However, the onus is on hosts to consistently provide exemplary services, promptly address grievances, and actively seek feedback. Negative reviews, while daunting, can be invaluable for introspection and refinement. Management challenges. Airbnb's dynamic model can be taxing. Regular cleanings, managing check-ins, outs, handling multiple bookings, communicating with guests from different time zones, and troubleshooting issues require significant effort. Hiring cleaning services, using smart locks, or even considering property management agencies are strategies seasoned hosts employ to manage this intensity. Occupancy and seasonality. Airbnb properties, much like hotels, face the ebb and flow of seasonal demand. Certain properties, like ski chalets or beach houses, might have pronounced peak seasons. Successful hosts tap into off-peak seasons with discounts, long-term stay deals, or targeting a different audience, like business travelers or remote workers seeking a change of environment. Before we dive deeper into our head-to-head comparison, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're eager to find out which rental option reigns supreme, we've got a captivating conclusion coming up, and trust us, you won't want to miss it. If you want to stay updated with more insights like these, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to know as soon as we upload. Now let's get back to the video. While Airbnb sounds like a winner, there are still many reasons you should consider finding a long-term tenant. Stability and consistent income. Traditional renting stands as a bastion of stability in the volatile world of real estate. Long-term lease agreements are contractual guarantees of a consistent cash inflow, facilitating financial planning, mortgages, or reinvestments. The challenge is ensuring tenant satisfaction for lease renewals, minimizing the dreaded vacancy periods. Reduced management effort. With tenants locked in for extended periods, the daily intricacies tied to property management are considerably reduced. The focus shifts from constant bookings and turnovers to maintaining a cordial landlord-tenant relationship, periodic property checks, and occasional maintenance tasks. Long-term tenant relationship. A positive rapport with tenants often translates into prolonged leases, timely rents, and better property upkeep. These relationships are invaluable, potentially leading to referrals or even collaborative property improvements, where tenants willingly contribute, given their long-term stakes. Rent control and regulations. Legal frameworks can be a double-edged sword. While they protect landlords from erratic tenant behavior, they also impose caps on rent hikes or dictate eviction protocols. It's imperative for property owners to familiarize themselves with local regulations, joining landlord associations, or seeking legal counsel for insights. Contractual commitments. The rigidity of long-term leases can sometimes backfire. Market dynamics might allow for potential rent hikes, but landlords could be bound by existing agreements. Thus, integrating periodic review clauses or being judicious with lease durations becomes essential. So with two great options to choose from, how can you ensure you are successful no matter which you decide? The most important first step to take is to conduct market research. A holistic understanding of the local market forms the bedrock of successful property leasing, irrespective of the model. This includes understanding the demographics, gauging demand surges, identifying competition, and even foreseeing potential disruptions. Next, look out for competitive pricing. With dynamic market conditions, periodic price evaluations, leveraging real estate analytics tools, and even seeking feedback on pricing can offer competitive advantages. Property presentation. The property isn't just a structure, it's an experience. Investing in interior design, landscaping, or even technological upgrades can drastically enhance its appeal. Regular photo updates, 360-degree virtual tours, or even guest-tenant testimonials accentuate listing attractiveness. Open communication. Transparent, timely communication builds trust. Whether it's addressing potential guest queries about local attractions or discussing property modifications with long-term tenants, open dialogues foster good relationships and nip issues in the bud. Legal compliance and insurance. Navigating the legal maze can be challenging. Irrespective of the rental model, staying abreast with licensing requirements, zoning laws, or evolving regulations is vital. For Airbnb hosts, certain cities have stringent short-term rental regulations. On the other hand, traditional landlords might grapple with tenant rights, eviction rules, or rent control policies. Proactively seeking legal advice, attending workshops, or joining property owners associations can provide actionable insights. Coupled with this, investing in comprehensive insurance that covers potential damages, liability issues, or loss of income due to unforeseen events acts as a safety net. Leveraging technology. The digital age offers a plethora of tools designed to simplify property management. From dynamic pricing tools, calendar synchronization for bookings, digital maintenance logs, to tenant background check platforms, leveraging technology can drastically reduce management hassles and optimize profits. Feedback mechanism. Constructive feedback is the cornerstone of improvement. For Airbnb hosts, guest reviews offer insights into potential improvements. Traditional landlords, while not having the constant feedback loop of an online platform, can still benefit from periodic tenant check-ins or satisfaction surveys. Addressing concerns, seeking opinions on potential upgrades, or even understanding local trends from tenants can provide an edge. Financial planning and strategy. Whether it's the high-frequency cash flow from Airbnb or the stable monthly income from traditional renting, effective financial planning is paramount. This encompasses budgeting for property maintenance, setting aside a contingency fund, or even strategizing for property expansion or diversification. Savvy investors often work with financial consultants or use real estate-focused financial tools to maximize their returns. Networking and continuous learning. The world of rentals isn't static. New trends emerge, regulations evolve, and market dynamics shift. Engaging with other property owners, joining real estate forums, attending seminars, or subscribing to industry publications keeps investors informed and adaptable. Sharing experiences, learning from others' mistakes, or even collaborating on joint ventures can open up new avenues of growth. Personalized experiences. In the end, properties aren't just bricks and mortar, they're experiences. Whether it's a guest staying for a few days or a tenant leasing for years, personalized touches make a difference. For Airbnb hosts, this could be a local guidebook, personalized welcome notes, or unique decor reflecting the locale's essence. For traditional landlords, understanding tenants' needs, being flexible with minor modifications to make the property feel more homey, or even celebrating milestones like lease anniversaries can foster loyalty. While Airbnb and traditional renting have their distinct pros and cons, the keys to success in either model are multifaceted. Astute market understanding, proactive management, legal diligence, effective financial planning, and a touch of personalization can pave the way for lucrative returns and rewarding experiences. Tell us below which method you like better and why.